What's up, everybody? I got a quick video for you today because I gotta go change the transmission fluid on this RV. But I gotta tell you, the dude at the shop, kind of acting like he don't want me to come over there. So gotta work that out. But anyway, let's get into the deals. Only a few of them. Which first up, I found this by accident. I have no idea what it's a good deal because I don't have any Makita stuff. Never used any Makita stuff, and I didn't know they had Makita lawnmowers. But I'm preparing for another video talking about warranties, and I just stumbled across this, so I'll leave it here for you guys. You're getting 2 extra batteries when you buy a lawnmower. They have a bunch of different lawnmowers. Brushless 21-inch, self-propelled 21-inch, 2 extra batteries. Now one thing about lawnmowers like this, the DeWalt is it's the same. I prefer lawnmowers that take 2 regular type of batteries. So like the Ryobi takes 40-volt batteries, and the problem with the 40-volt batteries is they're not interchangeable across all tools. You know what I mean? You can only use them for 40-volt tools, which is fine, but I prefer to use the 18-volt battery so I can use them on all the tools. So I do like that Makita does that and DeWalt does it as well. So there you go there. Let's see here. So moving on, all these deals at Home Depot I found by accident. I just totally found, I was trying to find the deals from yesterday and complete fails, but I found this other stuff. So we have this starter kit. Now, before I say anything about this starter kit, correct me if I'm wrong. Didn't I just make a video like 5 days ago where you got a starter kit with a charger, dual charger, and 2 6 amp hour high output batteries plus a free tool? That existed, right? I can't find it. And YouTube is weird about me rewatching my videos. So that's another thing, guys. If I don't like, if you make a comment and I respond and I'll respond back, it's because the only way for me to see the response is I gotta go look at my video, and I could lose my channel for that. YouTube is weird. So Anyway, going back to this, so we have a 5.0 XC battery and a regular poo-poo CP 2.0 battery. Now, I actually did talk about this like 2 weeks ago, though. And you get to choose between the free tool. The reason why I like this deal, though, is because it's not those non-fuel tools. You can actually get some good tools here. You have a random orbital sander. You have the oscillating tool, but it's not a fuel, though. We know this because it's only 129. But you do get to choose between a fuel hammer drill, which, again, I've mentioned in videos before. It's powerful. I don't like it, though, because I don't like the grip on this thing. It is really, really uncomfortable, and it hurts your hand, hurts your fingers. And sometimes it pinches your fingers, too. I don't like it. You also have this Surge 18-volt impact driver, which is good, and that's what I would recommend getting if you wanted to keep all this stuff. But when you go to the cart, you might not want the batteries at all. The thing that's shining here is the Surge, and it breaks down to be $91.39. So how about that? So moving on, we have this deal here, and I know you're like, Chris, that $809, is a joke? No, no, it's not a joke. So first of all, when we look at this, I'm gonna have to refresh it because this is not accurate anymore. So when we look at this, we know this kit right now is on sale for $349, and yes, $349, and you get a free tool. All right, but in this case, it comes with this quick lock system with the string trimmer and a chainsaw. Now, this string trimmer, quick lock kit with the chainsaw, just these two things itself is normally $500. It's normally $499. Plus, this is which is normally $349. So you have $350 plus $500 is normally $850. It's like, all right, well, dude, that's just $40. We get this is a free gift. So we go add the biggest thing, which is this battery, add both the cart, and then it breaks down to where you get all those things for $676. $676.12 is a lot of money to spend at one time. Yes. But you getting $850 worth of stuff for $676. So you're getting almost $200 off. That's a good, yeah, right here. Yeah, and normally $859, you're saving 21%, which is kind of a big deal for all these tools. So wanted to show you guys that. There is one more. Nope. I thought it was one more at Home Depot. Anyway, moving on. So we have this Amazon deal where you get it's a Skil deal, and I don't really like it. The only reason I'm kind of addressing it is because after I found it, I saw it on Slick Deals as well, and people were really liking it. And again, this is kind of one of those things where this will be good for a beginner. The circular saw is fine. I don't like this flashlight. It's not like the one from the 12 volt kit where it was $99 and you got 5 tools. This is only 4. That one was 5, and that one came with really good tools. So this is not the same type of flashlight. It doesn't rotate as much. This drill is only 115 inch-pounds, and this reciprocating saw, which is very much a two-handed, only has a 1-inch stroke, which is crazy because Skil has a one-handed reciprocating saw that also has a 1-inch stroke. So I mean, maybe I need to dig deeper into these tools, but maybe this does something else extra that that one doesn't. I don't know, because same blade, same 1-inch stroke. Why would you get this big one? Doesn't make sense. You want the big one because it has a bigger stroke and can cut more. But apparently this, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. So yeah, pretty much everything's pretty weak. I don't think, because I can't see and it doesn't say. I don't think that these batteries charge either. I don't think that they have USB ports on them. So that's also a minus. You get two 2 amp hour batteries, and it's for 119. Now 119 is not bad for all this though. It's not bad, but they pretty weak tools. Again, like I said, this is one of those things that is like for a beginner. Will I get this for my mother? Yes. Will I get this for my wife? Yes. But would I get this for my son? Probably not. I gave my son the other 12 volt kit, which was brushless, and that's another thing. I just also noticed it doesn't really specifically say if these things are brushless or not. So, I mean, I'm assuming, I would have assumed yes off the top of my head, but I don't think so, judging by how weak they are. And again, that brush tools aren't weak. It's not saying that brush tools are weak. It's just generally with most of these companies, because Metabo makes really good brushed cordless tools. But usually with these companies, when it's a brush tool, it's super weak. And we see that right here. It's 177 inch-pounds of torque. RPMs are super low. Circular saw, 4,500 RPM. The bevel cut is okay. Yeah, this is 3,000 strokes per minute. That's normal. 1 inch. Yeah, we're not talking about like real powerful tools here. So, again, I mean, this is not bad. This is not bad for 119. I haven't seen anything else out there better. I haven't really looked. Maybe check out Ryobi stuff, but that Heart deal for $79 to me would have been better, because you got an impact driver plus the drill plus the reciprocating saw plus the flashlight and a vacuum. I thought it came with something else, but maybe that was it. All right, and moving on. Last, this is not a deal either. This is just I told you so. Oh, it dropped back down. Okay, hold on. I gotta go get. Look, y'all. When I picked this up today, like this literally, from the moment I started this video, this changed from 336.99 back to 149.91. I really did, like I said, this was a I told you so, because I was about to say, look, this was 140 something or one something. It was under $150. You should have got it. You should have got it, because these Metabo tools are not cheap and they're good. And I wanted to try this impact driver, and this impact driver itself is normally 150. I think it's on sale right now for like 146 or 150 or something, 149 or something like that. And you're getting all this other stuff. I'm gonna probably have to just take this plunge. I hate to do it just because this is redundant. I have everything here except for this impact driver, but shoot, the impact driver costs 146. I'm just getting extra tools. Hey, look, don't miss out on it again, because when I saw that 336, my heart sank like, dang, I should have just went on ahead. So anyway, I guess I do have another tool deal for you. Plus, Acme Tool has Rakuten, yeah. And you get $30 cash back for signing up. That was the retail me now, but it's only 1% cash back. Rakuten is 2% cash back, plus the $30 if you have never used Rakuten before. So basically what it is, it's a free extension, free app. You can do it from your phone. You can do it from the computer. It's much easier to do it from the computer. Well, it's not that hard to do it from the phone. But click the link. You click the link in the description. That qualifies you and me to get $30. If you don't do it without the link, though, you won't get the $30 bonus. Trust me. I know. I didn't get my $30 bonus because I just signed up. So what happens is after you sign up, if you're on the phone, you want to go open up the app and then go to Acme Tools through the app, and then you shop on the website. Boom. You don't have to worry about nothing else. It'll give you the cash back, the 2% plus the $30 bonus. If you're on the computer, you sign up, you have to download the little extension. It's compatible with Edge, it's compatible with Chrome. And then once you do that, you go to the website, you go here, you click activate 2% cash back. It's going to do this thing. 2% cash back activated. Yeah. There you go. And now, boom. And now you go ahead and shop like normal, and it's going to rack. Oh, I get it. It's going to rack up your savings. So anyway, that's it for today. I got to go see what's going on with this RV. I'll see you guys next time.